so welcome back to my channel, Undefined TV, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Jahchey. So I just decided to do a get ready with me. So sorry, my lips is so dry. But I'm just doing a get ready with me. I'm about to go out with my friend, and I literally have 1 hour. I don't know why I always do this, but it's like I know I'm making time and I do other stuff instead of getting ready. I'm like, oh, I have this amount of time, like, you know. And then when it comes down to do like, okay, it's almost time to go, or like get ready, I start to do other stuff, which is so retarded, like just so retarded. I don't know, something with me. So on my lips I just used the Vaseline. This is the pink one. Rosy lips. It's pink. Yeah. Because they were ashy. And now on my skin, first I'm gonna use Touch Up the water cream on my face because it is some sort of dry. But y'all already know that because I already showed you how dry the water in America is making my skin feel. Like benty, little benty. And the crazy thing is, I don't even know why I have my hair in these little benty knots, because I just put them in probably about 30 minutes ago, so probably nothing's gonna happen and they're falling out already. Now I'm gonna go in with the first solid, the unicorn essence, just for a little bit of extra hydration. You know, your skin needs to be super hydrated under the makeup. It does. Totally does. Now I'm going to use my Dior foundation. This is the, what is this? My Dior Skin Star Foundation. And it is in the color 70. So I'm just going to shake it up a bit. Put about 3 pumps on the back of my hand. Like, look at it. Look at this. It's just, Lord, the disrespect I endure. The disrespect. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Like, I swear to you guys, I'm really not doing too much with this look. I wanted to, especially because of my outfit, but it don't seem like it's gonna work out like that, so I'm not even gonna try it. And then my face looks like so orange, but I don't know why it looks like that on camera, because in person it does not look like that. Oh, the disrespect. But I'm gonna just take my damn beauty blender and just make it all just fall into the skin even better. And now we're done. Okay, so now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in medium beige. And I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes. Just a little. center of my nose. I do around my nose, so I'm not out here looking crazy. And then I'm just gonna use a little of the LA Pro Girl again in Cool Tan, just a bit deeper, because that shade, medium beige, is a bit too pink. It looks the same, but it's not. It is not the same, okay? Yeah. Now, just gonna blend it out. Just gonna use a little bit more of the medium beige, and I'm just gonna put it on my lids as the base for my eyeshadow. And honestly, I don't even know if I'm doing eyeshadow. I want to, but I don't really know what I'm going to do, and I don't have that much time either. I mean, I had intentions of doing my eyes initially, but then, you know, I wanted to act all crazy or whatever. Now I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder and set the shadow. Not the shadow, Laura Mercier, what am I saying? I'm gonna just set the eyeshadow base. Lord. I'm gonna go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in Mahogany. I'm just gonna contour. I'm just going to use a foundation brush. I like to tap it in and then go in circular motions like so. Natural, darling, natural. Then I'm gonna go back in with the beauty blender, the beauty blender. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set all over my face. Now I'm going to use my MAC blush in Swiss Chocolate. I really need to get another one. Okay, so I'm going to go in my MAC 3502 palette, and I'm going to first use this shade right here. That's going to be my transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with this. It's like, I don't know. So I'm in with this color, and now I'm going to go back in to the transition shade just to blend them out. Just to blend. So now I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm going to use, it's so crazy because you can't really see the colors. I don't know why they look so off. I'm going to go into this bright red. because I'm going for a very simple look, now I'm going to go back into that exact same red shade right here, and I'm just going to go under my bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with my Revlon Skinny eyeliner in black, and then I'm going to apply some lashes, and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to highlight my cheeks with MAC Gold Deposit. Then I'm going to use my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. And I'm going to go in with MAC's Blush in Gleeful. So I'm going to line my lips with the Colourpop Karuchi lip liner in K. And I'm going over that with Colourpop Liquid Lipstick in Saigon. And I'm going to fix my hair and I'll be back. Just going in with my Revolution makeup palette. And I'm just going to use this like iridescent color. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I have got to go. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave any comments down below, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.